Dear Diary, Entry 4. Moi! And welcome back to my channel where I share with you my life as a Filipina living in this north, cold, and beautiful country of Finland. O, diba? Nahilo kayo dyan sa pa 360 na ikot. Today is September 9. I think it's early autumn or late summer. Pero dahil masyado po tayong masipag, you'll be able to watch this video by next month. And it's probably, I think, early winter already. But anyway, I'll really try my best to upload the videos for my 24 subscribers. What if? But yeah, this is just for fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my videos as well. And if you're watching this, what if mag-subscribe ka? Kung wala pa ka-subscribe, what if lang jud? Tapos like dayon and comment for proof of purchase. So, in this video, I'll bring you to an adventure. Ang corny ng sound effects. Anyway, so, one of the things that Finns like to do, one of the outdoor activities that they like to do is going to their forest and to hike and be with nature. And that's what we're going to be doing in this video. Now, konting kaalaman lang, do you know that apart from lakes, Finland also has a lot of forest. Like 75% of their land area is covered with forest, and they also have more than 40 national parks, and they are one of the largest producers of wood in Europe. O, diba? Ginawang matang lawin. Bakit naging documentary? Anyway, so yeah, I hope that is a very valuable information. So the place that we're gonna be hiking is called Karhuvuoren Luontopulko. It's a nature trail, a hiking area in our city. So this is just a part of our city. And yeah, I'll hope you enjoy it. And here it is. Oh, this is like the mountain view. You still need to climb that. Oh.
No, you can get hot.
Yeah. These are leaves. No. Mushroom. Mushrooms. Herbs. Erratum, sorry. It's actually not early autumn, definitely not late summer. It's actually, I just realized now, it's really like autumn already, almost mid autumn, because I noticed and I just realized now that a lot of leaves this time were turning brown already. So, yeah, it's not early autumn. I thought lang kasi pasikat si Haring Araw, masyadong mainit yung araw, although it's actually cold. Ayun, yung yung rays lang ng sun yung mainit. But anyway, there were a lot of familiar plants here. May mga ferns din, and I think obviously because yung ferns ay nasa malalamig na lugar, and most of the trees here, it's just my first time seeing them. So yeah, interesting. And here they have this parang camping area where you can actually do some bonfire like what you can see now. Tapos, ayan, very tall trees, and hayaan ko kayong malipong. Saan yung malipong in Tagalog? Mahilo. Sa mukha. And now may skuan eh. Di ba sagbot man eh? I think we have a lot of this in the Philippines. And in this moment, I realized something. Anak ko sa kong sa, hala no, sometimes pala we have to be sagbot. Or we can learn something from sagbot kay bisag asa sila mag-bloom. Diba? Like wherever you're planted, bloom there. Be like sagbot. Char. Now to my favorite part. This is the Shire. Happened to this tree? Lightning? Storm? What? Answer.
I don't see any charcoal, so I think it was storm.
So if it's lightning, there would be charcoal
Most
from
likely.
fire.
This one way.
But we didn't walk in Aruca.
Yeah, that's true.
Ah, look what happened to the tree. Whoops.
It's been like that pretty long.
Ah, it's 13.
I think I think our car is down there.
Wow. And yeah, that concludes our hiking, and it was a fun but very hang up experience, no? As evident with my non-stop panting. But yeah, after this, we're gonna go straight there. We exited from there and we entered on the other side. So we just circled the whole thing. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, moi moi. Love, Rosal. Uy, what if mag-subscribe ka?